Now you hear me? Now you don't. Let me tell you why. This is SoundSkins Wavy Foam, and this is what it does. When you apply this on a vibrating panel, it gives it more firmness and more structure. For example, a door panel that's a little bit flimsy or that you have high power speakers in it, this is gonna create a better structure so that door panel does not flex or move when your music is being played at low frequencies. This material is waterproof, heat proof, and flame resistant, so it adds an extra layer of protection to anything that it's applied to. Put this inside a door panel and water seeps in. This is gonna protect some of your delicate components in there, so it's a nice level of protection that you don't already have. This doesn't only work on door panels, it works on A-pillars, rear decks, trunk lids, wheel wells, and floors. Anywhere where you might have vibration and annoying sound, this can be applied and it'll help you with it. This is made of rubber closed cell acoustic foam, specially designed to help you with all those irritating audio problems that you may experience in a car or even at home. It's very easy to apply. Simply remove the backing, make sure your surface is clean, and stick it, and it's gonna stick on there forever, man. This stuff is, look, super sticky. Each roll comes in at 32.3 square feet, so you can do 4 door panels with no problem. This is only one of many solutions that SoundSkins offers. So if you have a problem with heat, cold, rattling, noise, installation, visit SoundSkinsGlobal.com. Find your solution today.